Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Welcome to a staple of the Orlando experience that often rivals the scale of major theme parks. The World of Adventure Mini Golf. You're walking around Pirates Cove Adventure Golf, a landmark destination that has been voted the best in Florida multiple times. While it might look like a simple game of putters and neon balls, the engineering and design behind these courses are incredibly sophisticated. Orlando is considered the mini golf capital of the world, with more high-end courses per square mile than almost anywhere else on the planet. Pirates Cove, specifically, was a pioneer in adventure golf movement, moving away from the whimsical windmills of the past and towards high-detailed immersive environments. This course is built on a series of elaborate artificial rock formations, cascading waterfalls, and meticulously maintained tropical landscapes that transport you into the world of the 18th-century buccaneers. The construction of these courses involve complex hydraulic systems to manage the thousands of gallons of water that circulate through the mountain features and streams every hour. The greens are made of high durability, weather-resistant synthetic turf designed to maintain a consistent stimp-meter reading despite the intense Florida sun and heavy tropical rain. Notice the scale of the pirate ships and the intricate wood carvings. These are often crafted by the same scenic designers who work on major theme park attractions. The layout is strategically designed to provide a path of discovery, where each hole is shielded from the next to maintain a sense of seclusion and immersion. This industry is a significant part of the local tourism economy, offering a high-value, accessible entertainment option for families outside of the gated attractions. As you navigate the winding paths, you're seeing a blend of landscape, architecture, and theatrical set design. The lighting systems are also key technical components, utilizing low-voltage LED arrays to create a dramatic atmosphere for night play without causing significant light pollution for the nearby motels. Mini golf in Orlando is a serious business, with courses competing to offer the most challenging hazards and the most breathtaking vistas. This particular site on International Drive serves as a prime example of how themed entertainment can be executed on a small, more intricate scale, while still delivering a world-class visual experience. It is a testament to the city's dedication to detail in every facet of the visitor experience. For now, I want you to settle in, find your rhythm, and enjoy the walk around this swashbuckling lakeside adventure.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.